Of course, another way to do a set of planks, sorry, this is a carry on from my previous video about arrays, is to do a bunch of duplicates. On the one hand, when doing the arrays, I talked about setting up the array, and if you've got like 100 items, maybe that's the best way to do it, and then you do your separate by loose parts. But if you've got a smaller number of items, maybe, I don't know, 4 to 10, something like that, then maybe just doing a plain old Shift D for a duplicate is the best way to go. Let's look at how to do the duplicate option and check out any kind of pitfalls. So I'll do a Shift A. Once again, I'm doing a plane, and again in the x-axis I will restrict that to the x-axis to 0.3 for the size of the plank. Kind of basics, right? In fairness, I didn't even cover this talk about this in the array option. So in object mode, and go to add a modifier and solidify, and let's say we want a thickness of 0.03 of a meter. For the color, I'm going to apply that, and then for the color, wood brown, so that's fine for that. And we will, of course, we're not going to see that in solid mode, need to look at that in material preview, say fairly horrible brown. I can do a Shift D on all that, and there's no way, as far as I can see, you can do a Shift D 10 or 3 or 20. So for the smaller numbers, you just have to do a whole bunch of Shift D. Or you can't just do Shift D, Shift D, Shift D, have to do Shift D return evidently. Yeah. Okay, so we've got 8 now. Okay. So it's got to be Shift D return. Snap to align with increment. So I'll just move it up to a convenient. I should have done that to start with, actually, that was stupid. Can I select in object mode? I don't suppose I can. Oh, I can evidently select a whole collection. Will it let me move a whole collection? Yes, it would seem that it will. Okay. In fact, it's not a collection, it's a bunch of individual objects. Anyway, so then G, X, move that over. So these are all objects in their own right. If you've got a real mass of them, it probably makes sense to either script it or to use array. That's it.